Hi, my name is Michelle Garrell and I'm from Canada. I've actually had the most awesomest experience this past week here in Austria, especially being here for the last 3 days and at the GeoVital Academy. I've learned so much here. It's been an excellent learning experience. Going out in the field and learning how to use the different gadgets has been it's been remarkable. I look forward to taking this home with me back to Canada. I look forward to practicing with my family and especially myself, because that was my intentions in coming out here, is to learn more and to help myself health-wise. Although I don't look that bad health-wise, but all the things that I've learned I hope is going to help me. I'm looking forward to having a few months of great sleep once I put into practice all the things I've learned, and this experience, when I stop and I think about it, I hope it's a lifetime experience. And also I look forward to a bright future. So I thank you for this opportunity. I thank the GeoVital Academy for helping me, and also for teaching me. It's been a great experience. I thank you so much. Thanks. It was awesome from Canada.